Today, you and I are going to talk about being confident and loving yourself. Hey guys, welcome back to Talk About It Tuesdays, where each week we eat a new taco and talk about a different topic. I'm your host, Jordyn, and today we're going to talk about loving yourself and being confident. But first, let's talk about today's tacos. We have some basic street tacos, and they are my absolute favorite. I love street tacos so much because they're right to the point. You got your meat, you got your cilantro, you got your lime, and you got your onions, and they're so good. These are amazing. I love street tacos so much, especially with the lime. They taste so good. Also, be sure to stay to the end of the video to see what hints I have for you for the next Taco Tuesday, and see if you can guess what it's going to be about. Alright, so let's talk about self-love. Self-love is about loving yourself. I think self-love is super important because if you can't love yourself, how are you going to love other people? Think about it. Just think about it. One of the best ways that I learned to be confident is stop comparing myself to other people. You don't want to compare your grades, your talents, your looks to anybody else because that comparison can just bring your confidence down, all the way down to the drain. And we don't want that. Just remember that they are them and you are you. The most important way that I practice self-love is definitely setting boundaries. I used to be a people pleaser and just say yes, yes, yes to everything and just let everybody get their way. Now I know that my time and my energy is precious and I can say no to whatever I want to, and I can walk away from things that I don't want to do and that I think is wrong. That's how I practice self-love. Comment down below. I really want to know how you guys practice self-love. On days when I'm not feeling my best, I also practice self-love by putting on my favorite outfit or wearing my favorite accessory and doing my hair in my favorite style. It just gives me that boost because sometimes when you look good, you feel good. I'm also a huge fan of positive affirmations. And positive affirmations is basically just speaking kindly to yourself and reminding yourself of all the good things in life. Another big way that I practice being more confident is giving myself pep talks in the mirror. I love them because they just boost my self-esteem, and I'm in the mirror and when I'm feeling down I just say something I love about myself. I love my hair, or I love my eyes, or I love my nose. Just something that just makes me feel good. The biggest thing I can probably tell you is treat yourself how you would treat your best friend. If you heard your best friend talking bad about themselves, you wouldn't stand for it. So don't stand for it when you're talking bad about yourself. I think that's the biggest thing. At least I do. Comment down below what you guys do to practice being more confident. So next week's video is an advice video, so make sure you submit a question down below. Alright guys, so now it's time for the hit for next week's taco. It lives in the sea, and sometimes the other sea creatures don't like it because it can be a little shellfish. Comment down below what you guys think it is. Also, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another Taco Tuesday, and also hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. See you next week, guys. Bye!